So these are the three main open source tools we worked on and we built this summer for the workshop. Other open source tools include a very small honey extractor which straps onto the heat gun, and of course the tractor itself, which is a fully open source bolted together tractor. The frame all bolted together, hardly any welds. We welded up the tracks for the wheels, bent the rebar, 1-inch rebar, we bent it in our shop press, welded them all together to the chain, strapped it on. Thing turns like a tank. It's powered by hydraulics off the power cube at the back. The hydraulics are on quick attach plates, so if one motor busts, it's simply unbolt two, probably see it better on this side, unbolt 2 bolts, this one and one the other side of the coupler down there. The motor comes off, quick couplers here, simply unplug and change the motor in case of it breaking. The same with every other component, giving it what we call lifetime design for disassembly, which means it's designed to be disassembled, as the statement says, and lifetime design, if anything breaks, it's very cheap to fix by simply buying a new part off shelf, as all the parts are off shelf parts. So buying a new part and unscrewing the necessary bolts, bolting it back together. This is the power cube on the back. This is an old one. I'm going to review the new one I built after this clip. The hydraulics from the valve that controls, left and right side, come powered by the hydraulic pump, which is under here. That's a 12 gallons per minute hydraulic pump, which is attached to the bottom of the motor. The motor is attached to this in this frame, which is a cube, which we call a power cube, hence power cube. The hydraulic fluid is stored in there. Pumps drives the whole thing. The valves quick connect. The valve is mounted. This motor spool valve, these motor spool valves are mounted to this plate here. The plate is quick connect. Simply undo one bolt, take all the attachments off, and you can replace the valve or take it off and use it somewhere else if needed. There's another spool that fits on there. That's the one that I've got connected up to the shop press at the moment. Sorry, not the shop press, the drill press at the moment. So this one, simply, you can see here the nut welded on. That just goes onto there. It connects up there. Connects up to that connection comes out, connects directly onto that one, side by side, screws into the hole there. It's all very modular, quick assembly, disassembly, very practical.